In this video, we are going to discuss how you can generate disclaimer text from ChatGPT. So, for example, if you are using YouTube channel or website, then you need to add disclaimer content so that you should avoid from the copyright issues. So now you can go here, ChatGPT, and here you need to write generate disclaimer content for. So now here you need to add your channel name. Also you can add your website name, and also here I can add some more words. Educational purpose. So you need to mention that you are creating content for the educational purpose. And here you can see I got this text, so I need to add this text in my videos.